Okay, so these are the popcorn with Flix mystery boxes. I know there's a lot of feelings about these, but I got it. I ordered 3 boxes. So I don't know if I'm going to do this in 1 part or 2 parts or 3 parts, but this is the box. It's too big for me to put in the frame. It's a big box, and it came all beat up, but they said that they double boxed everything, so let's hope it's okay. So I'm opening it right now. And there were some awesome grails that were available. Okay, so yep, so it looks like I got, ooh, okay, this is cool. I got 1 big box, 1 medium box, and 1 small box. Nice. So I'm gonna open up the big box first. I wanna be careful here. And they marked them so you could tell that they weren't opened, and it still looks intact, and it is taped up really with a lot of tape. Okay, it's almost open. Okay, what do we have? That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Oh, wow. We got a big one here. Ooh, wow. I get a lot of this stuff, this line and mystery boxes. I'm not like a huge fan, but this looks really freaking cool, bro. Collector's edition? Wow, man, that's cool. I don't even know. I have no idea what this is, but it's big and it's cool. It's an R2-D2 gold. Maybe it's like a Disney exclusive. It says Hot Topic exclusive. Wow. What in the heck? Wow, this is really cool. I got Pop Price Guide open, but I don't know how I could find this. What is this? Collector's edition? Oh no. This is R2-D2, right? It doesn't say. I mean, like I said, I'm not a big Star Wars guy. What? I can't find it. I can't find it on the website. Oh wow, original price $32.50 original price. Gold chrome dome pop vinyl. Oh, it's a pop vinyl. Well, that's normal. Gold chrome dome. Man, it's hard to find this stuff on this website sometimes. I can't find it. This video is turning into a terrible video. What is going on here, man? I can't find this. I cannot find this at all. Wow, man, this video is really stalled out. What? Okay, let's see if I can find it. I think I might find, okay, it's $17. Wow, it's only worth $17. Wow, that's a bummer, but it is awesome. Okay. Okay, moving on. Gotta take what you can get. Okay. Well, you know, I still like it. it's still pretty cool. Even though it's only worth $17. Alright, next one. So this is a big box. And there's gotta be... Oh, there's 2 more in here. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's cool. So, okay, I'm gonna do the one that I don't like, I think, first. Oh, Hulk? Thor? Hulk? Thor Hulk? Thor Hulk? What is this? Hulk from Thor? Hulk from Thor? I mean, that's cool. Let me see what that one's worth. Dude, I am striking out here. Oh man. I'm so bad at Pop Price Guide. I'm so bad at Pop Price Guide. This one's worth $9? Seriously? Seriously? Only worth $9, so that's $26. But this next one is a cool one that I want. And I know it's worth more than both of these other ones. Okay. Huh? Army Man? Toy Story Army Man? Look at that. Box lunch exclusive. Yeah, this is cool. How much is this one worth? So they guaranteed the boxes would be worth $40. Right now we're at 26. $16. That one's worth $16. 26 plus 16 is $42. Okay. $42. Meh. This is the metallic one. Alright, well, that's the end of video 1.